I'm meteorologist in my city. It's Weather MadnessCast for Monday. Get up, campers. Time to face the music. Alrighty, let's face what happened yesterday first. Severe weather reports from Tennessee all the way back into Texas. Mostly just wind and hail reports that happened. And one tornado around Memphis, which caused quite a social stir because they missed a warning out while the tornado was going on. Oh, yeah. Things happen, you know what I mean? But unfortunately, no one got injured, but there was some damage. We had snow from northern Indiana across northern Ohio into northern PA, where they had 1 to 3 inches of snow, depending on where you were. And they're waking up this morning going, "What is this? It's May 10th. What are you doing to me? It's snow up there. Snowing on the elk." All the elk up here in northern PA getting snow. Anyway, that's what happened. It'll melt away today. That stuff doesn't last that long this time of year. All right, here's our storm system heading away this morning. The front's still kind of hanging around with heavy thunderstorms down here through the south. Some heavy thunderstorms today through North Carolina. Some severe weather back in here. And snow, yes, it's going to snow in the Rockies. Already snow in the Rockies right now. In Denver, Boulder, going to see some snow today. You can see the snow up here. And they're going to get a couple inches of snow out of this whole thing. There's our heavy thunderstorms this morning. There's our storm departing. Here's more showers coming across. You know, you kind of get sarcastic in this kind of weather pattern. It's just horrible. There's our storm getting out of here. Bye-bye. Don't need you around anymore. Too rainy. All right. Let's go over to Denver. Look at Denver this morning. Look at that. There's our snow. I got this new radar system. I finally got my radar system fixed, and so I post on Twitter all these radar images. It's my radar madness. You know, I'm the madman of weather, I tell you. Oh my, I'm just in a mood today. I was up too late last night looking at weather. All right. We talked about the snow here, severe weather over here, severe weather down here, some big supercell storms down there. The storm chasers will be running all over Texas today. High pressure is going to keep everything chilly, some frost and freezes tonight across parts of Wisconsin, Michigan. If it clears out over here in New York and Pennsylvania, watch for frost and freezes there. And some more thunderstorms down across. Everything's just being suppressed southbound. It's just staying south, okay? That's what's going to happen there. Everything is being suppressed by this blocking pattern, which will go away eventually. All right, some heavy snow up in the mountains here. There could be some heavy snow out in the plains here. This is my map from yesterday. Seems to be okay for today. All right, Denver's kind of on the cusp of getting about 3 or 4 inches of snow out of this whole thing. And SPC folks have severe weather here, severe weather over here today. All right, and the famous HRR model, you can see some supercell thunderstorms running around here through Texas today. All right, and then you got the snow up here. It's not too enthusiastic on this day. It really, I'll tell you, this model blew it this weekend. Had 10 inches of snow across northern Indiana and northern Ohio. I'm glad nobody, bit on that one. That's hard to do in this time of year. All right, here's the thunderstorms for today across eastern North Carolina, and some renegade ones across the south. Then tomorrow, thunderstorms across Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama. Again, I'll tell you one thing. They're just like going, it's just enough of these thunderstorms. All right, a couple more thunderstorms out here, some supercells there. And there's probably going to be a slight risk across the south tomorrow, is my guess. All right. Temperatures tonight. This is not tonight. This is tomorrow morning. You can see 30s, Ontario, back up into here. Cover your flowers up, folks. It's going to be cold. Why is it cold? Well, we can't get rid of the blocking. There it is. From here, from early April to now, we've just been in this darn blocking pattern. You couldn't come in January. Yesterday, I was sitting there yesterday going, man, a lot. This was like February and we had this storm. I would have had, 16, 17 inches of snow yesterday. There would have been a heavy snow band from Iowa to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and New England. That would have been a fantastic snowstorm. Had to be May. All right. This is the interesting part of this whole thing here. The P&A is going way negative. and which is contradicting the NAL. All right, and the AL is kind of heading into neutral. So the PNA is going to wipe out the NAL. Okay, it's going to allow warm air to come in. It's not going to be hot, but it's going to allow some warmth to come in. And so while this stays blocking, you know what's going to happen. I can see it coming now. I can just see exactly what's coming. While the PNA is going to go positive or negative, and says it's going to be warm. The NAL is going to say, East Coast folks, I'm going to send in the backdoor cold fronts and send in the air off the ocean, and you guys can just have clouds and drizzle and temperatures in the 50s. You wait. You mark my word. You watch. Okay? All that warm air will be wasted at 5,000 feet. All right? I know it's coming. I can see it. I hate this pattern. Anyway, later on this week, high pressure pretty much dominates most of the country. Sunshine, chilly up here in the northeast. Not too bad down here across the south and into the plain states here. Kind of nice weather. And then the severe weather is going to return as we go to next week. See, this is where do you see the high pressure sitting up in here? You see that? All this easterly flow? You know all this means is that it's just going to get ugly all up and down the eastern seaboard, even though the PNA is gone negative. It's just the air is going to come off the ocean. There's probably going to be some storm out here, some tropical type of storm. And air is going to come off the ocean. It's just going to get ugly, drizzly, cloudy. Meanwhile, while severe weather developing out here in the plain states, once again, as the heat does come with that PNA, does hit up against the front coming down, we have the good old-fashioned severe weather outbreak out there. All right. That's it for now. Happy Monday, meteorologist, Harvey Market City.